In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image upload problems in ChatGPT. If you're trying to upload an image and it just won't go through, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by something simple, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the most common solutions in a clear order so you can test each one and get back to uploading normally. First, check whether the image file type is actually supported. Some platforms only accept common formats like PNG, JPG, or JPEG. If your image is in a less common format, that may be the reason the upload fails. If needed, save or convert the image into a more standard file type before trying again. Next, make sure the image file size isn't too large. Very large files can fail to upload, especially if your connection is unstable or the platform has size limits. If the image is huge, try reducing the file size by resizing it or compressing it slightly. This often helps without noticeably affecting image quality. If the file type and size both seem fine, refresh ChatGPT and try the upload again. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch with the page, and a quick refresh is enough to clear it. If that doesn't work, log out of your account and then log back in. This can reset your session and fix account-related upload issues that may not be obvious on the screen. Another useful step is to open ChatGPT in incognito or private browsing mode. This helps rule out problems caused by stored browser data, extensions, or settings that may interfere with uploads. If the image uploads successfully there, you'll know the issue is likely related to your regular browser setup. You should also disable browser extensions that might block uploads. Ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blocking extensions can sometimes interfere with website features without giving a clear warning. Turn them off temporarily, then test the upload again. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browsing data can cause websites to behave strangely, and clearing it often resolves loading or upload issues. Just keep in mind that you may need to sign back in afterward. Finally, if none of these fixes work, try another browser or a different device. This is a great way to determine whether the problem is specific to your current setup. Go through these steps one at a time, and in most cases, you should be able to solve the upload issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.